Say hello to our little bug friends. Let's explore and play together. Bees love flowers. They help plants grow by carrying pollen. Ants work hard, carrying food and keeping it safe for later.
This is a butterfly. It starts life in a chrysalis and then flies free.
Flies use their tiny legs to taste food.
Silkworms eat mulberry leaves and make silk.
Mosquitoes use their long noses to sip water and nectar. Ladybugs are tiny beetles that love plants.
Dragonflies fly super fast with their shiny wings. Beetles have hard shells that protect their bodies.
Grasshoppers can jump really far.
All the little bug friends say bye!
Bye,